Hey everyone, Ben Belack here with your 3-minute real estate recap for April 2022. Today we'll be reviewing housing market data for the city of Beverly Hills, not Beverly Hills Post Office. If you don't know the distinction between the two, just email me and we can dive right in. In April of 2022, we saw 32 new single-family home listings hit the market in Beverly Hills, which was a 33% increase from the month before. We had 14 new escrows open versus the 16 of March, a 12.5% decrease, and we had 8 homes close, a 47% drop from the month before. The median sales price dropped 32%, coming in just under $6.5 million, and the average price per square foot dropped about 12% to approximately $1,740 per square. New listings are outpacing escrows. And as I predicted in my 2022 Beverly Hills Outlook, the Los Angeles real estate market is still relatively hot as we approach the halfway point of Q2, but higher interest rates have already started to cool us down. The question remains, will it be enough to adjust the market, or will we just stabilize? To combat this 4-decade high of inflation, I just don't see how the Fed can stop raising interest rates. That said, we still have an anemic level of home supply for now, but overpriced homes are getting punished. So what does this all mean if you're a home buyer or seller shopping in Beverly Hills? Well, if you're a seller, the window of opportunity to sell at the top of the market seems to be closing. And for the buyers, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We're seeing more and more homes come to market citywide, and we should see some downward pressure on pricing. I also think now is the time that we start paying special attention to the Treasury yield curve, particularly the 10-year and 2-year spread. If it starts to invert or show signs of it, headlines will be filled with the word recession. Just be careful believing what you read about on the national housing market or what you're hearing at social gatherings. Los Angeles is sprawling and has a mountain range running through it. Each micro market has its own characteristics, own demographics, and factors affecting pricing and ultimately sales. So, if you've been thinking of buying or selling real estate in the Beverly Hills or Los Angeles area, we'd love to sit down with you and have a strategic planning session to help you navigate not only the challenges, but also identify the opportunities we're seeing in today's market. Every week, we release new videos with relevant real estate topics, real estate market updates, and home tours. If you want to see more market analyses like these, be sure to subscribe. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell in the Los Angeles area, you can always find us via the links below.